Alright, so this is the Paw Patrol Rubble's Bulldozer. Okay, so what's Rubble going to do today?
It's going to open to project.
Okay, what's all this in here, huh?
That's, what's that called?
Those are Mega Blocks.
Mega box, yeah.
Yeah, it comes with blocks. Okay, well, let's open up the blocks and let's see what happens. Okay, so that's it. Now everything is out so you can play with it. What do you think about the bulldozer, huh? Wow, that's a nice bulldozer. Oh, what is that? You also have the dump truck. Okay, so he's taking his Mega Blocks over to the dump truck. Oh no, he fell out of the bulldozer. That's Rubble's bulldozer.
Yeah, Rubble bulldozer.
And he came in and he dropped his Mega Blocks into the dump truck.
We have more Mega blocks.
Oh yeah, wow. Okay, are you gonna build something? We'll put that there.
No, I don't want to put that there.
You'll put that there.
No, I want to put it up.
Okay, so what happens? He's gonna put them in the dump truck? Okay. Alright, put all the blocks on the dump truck. Now is the dump truck gonna take the blocks over to the big wagon where there's a lot of Mega Blocks. Oh, you should have Rubble pick them up with his bulldozer. Maybe Rubble wants to go up here. There you go, Rubble.
I don't want to go with them.
Oh, he wants to be in his bulldozer?
Yeah.
Rubble to the rescue. Rubble's gonna pick up all the Mega Blocks. Alright. There he goes. You did it. You did it, Rubble. Alright, so the draft is on the dump truck. Oh no. Rubble is gonna go and take... What does this do? This doesn't do anything? No. Rubble's gonna drive around on his bulldozer. Oh, he has to take the Mega Blocks to the wagon. Oh, there he goes. And wham! Good job, Rubble. You did it. Toys falling on Rubble. Oh no, who's gonna pick up all of those Mega Blocks? Rubble's gonna pick them up with his bulldozer. Oh, is he gonna crash through them? Is he gonna crash? Oh, right. Look at him bulldozing through all those blocks. You did it, Rubble. You did it. Whoa. Whoa. You're just going nuts now. You did it, Rubble.
You did it, Rubble.
Alright.
Oh no. It's broken.
No, it's not broken. It just slipped out. You can fix it. Let's see you fix it. You did it. Great job.